Hello there, boys and girls. I want to take a moment to talk to you about your word work. Your word work is very important to your reading and your writing success. So please take this time very seriously. It's very important that you say each word, be able to read each word, and be able to read the words within the sentences correctly. Because that's going to help you when you get to the point of writing those sentences. You don't have enough time during the school day to actually practice the words to perfection. This is where the responsibility comes in for you. You have to take the time to invest in your learning. So that means outside of school, you need to practice your word work, not just during the school day. You can also practice it in the car when you ask mom or dad if you can use their cell phone, because all of your tutorials are on YouTube and easily accessible. So please, let's get those scores up. Some of you are doing really well, but there's a few of you who needs that additional practice. Remember, take the time to invest in your learning and always do your best.
Let's go, boys and girls. Today we're going to learn more words. So let's look at our goals again. I am going to say the word. That means you will listen to the word, like the word said. Then you will say it and I'll be quiet. Once you say the word, you're going to read it in a sentence like the word said. For example, today she said no. And say it like talking. Today she said no. Once you've read the word in a sentence like talking, you're going to write it as quickly as you can. And as you write each word, you're going to say each word. Saying each word helps you to think about the word while you write it. So here are our goals. Listen to the word, say it, read it in a sentence, and write it as quickly as you can, saying each word while you write it. So listen, say it, read it, write it. Get your mouth ready for more words, boys and girls. First word, listen, line. Line. Now you say it, and I'll be quiet. Now I will read the word in a sentence like talking. This line is quiet today. You read it. Write the sentence quickly. Say each word while you write it. This line is quiet today. Let's read it like talking. This line is quiet today. Get your mouth ready. Next word. Listen. Set. Set. Now you say it and I'll be quiet. Next, I will read the word in a sentence like talking. Every student should set an example. Now you read it like talking. Now let's write the sentence quickly, saying each word while we write it. This is the important part. Every student should set an example. Every student should set an example. Get your mouth ready. For the next word, listen. Own. Own. Now you say it, and I'll be quiet. Next, I will read the sentence like talking. I own a different Chromebook this week. You read it like talking. Let's write the sentence quickly, saying each word while we write it. I own a different Chromebook this week. Now let's read it like talking. I own a different Chromebook this week. Get your mouth ready. For the next word, listen. Under. Under. You say it like talking. Now, I will read the sentence like talking. They sat under the large tree. You read it like talking. Now write the sentence quickly, saying each word while you write it. Just stretch out each word so it imprints on your brain. They sat under the large tree. Let's read that like talking. They sat under the large tree. Get your mouth ready for the next word. Read. Read. You say it like talking. Now, I will read the word in a sentence. I want to read for a long time. Now, you read it like talking. Now let's write the sentence quickly, saying each word while we write it. I want to read for a long time. Let's read that sentence like talking. I want to read for a long time. Get your mouth ready. Next word. Listen. Last. Last. Now you say it, and I'll be quiet. Next, I will read the word in a sentence like talking. Did we meet her last Thursday? You read it like talking. Let's get ready to write the sentence quickly, saying each word while we write it. Did, I can't hear you. We, I need to hear you. Meet her last Thursday. Very good. Let's read it like talking. Did we meet her last Thursday? Get your mouth ready for the next word. Listen. Never. Never. You say it like talking and I'll be quiet. Now I will read the sentence like talking. They never turn in their homework. You read the sentence like talking. Let's get ready to write the sentence quickly, saying each word while we write it. They, stretch it out, boys and girls, never turn in their homework. Now let's read it like talking. They never turn in their homework. Get your mouth ready for the next word. Us. Us. Now you say it and I'll be quiet. Next, I will read the word in a sentence like talking. Will you go with us? You read it like talking. Very good. Let's write the sentence quickly, saying each word while we write it. Stretch out each word to help you memorize it. Will you go with us? Let's read it like talking. Will you go with us? Get your mouth ready. Listen. Left, left. Now you say it and I'll be quiet. Next, I will read the word in a sentence like talking. Everyone left the room silently. You read it like talking. Now let's get ready to write that sentence quickly, saying each word while we write it. Everyone, stretch it out so you can learn it. Left the room silently. Now let's read it like talking. Everyone left the room silently. Get your mouth ready for the next word. Listen. End. End. Now you say it like talking, and I'll be quiet. Next, I will read the word in a sentence like talking. When did your lunch end? You read it like talking. Get ready to write the sentence quickly, saying each word while you write it. When, stretch it out so you can learn each word. Did your lunch end? Now let's read that sentence like talking. When did your lunch end? Get your mouth ready for more. See you next week.